Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about one of the most common questions that I get from time to time. And the question is Power BI enough to become a data analyst? The question is very valid because data analyst has been one of the highest careers in 2025. And we can expect the same for next few years. Almost every company, they are looking for people who can turn the raw data into insights. But the real question is, can Power BI alone make you a data analyst? Let's find out as I'll try to answer most of the questions that have been asked and I'll try to give you a complete picture. So, as I said, the data analyst job market last year in 2025 showed a remarkable growth. The global data analytics market itself is projected to rise to over $300 billion by 2020. So no doubt why this is the time for you to break into data analytics. Let me quickly touch upon what Power BI is. It's a tool from Microsoft that helps you connect to various data sources, clean the data, and build dashboards. With Power BI, you can create interactive charts and reports, share insights with your team, automate updates so your dashboards stay fresh. It's a powerful, easy to learn, and widely used tool across all the industries. And if you're starting out, Power BI is a great first step. What I mentioned earlier, you would be knowing it already. So, what makes Power BI so valuable for data analysts? Let's take a look. Firstly, you can create dynamic visualizations that update in real time. Your stakeholders can filter the data, drill down, and also explore the data themselves without constantly coming back to you. Secondly, data analysis expressions or DAX. DAX allows you to create calculated columns, tables, and measures that will help you unlock advanced analytics within your own reports. You can also use Power BI for data modeling, building relationships between different tables, schemas, and create a unified view of your landscape. And the most important boon as a data analyst, Power BI can seamlessly connect with the entire Microsoft's ecosystem. So whether it's Azure Cloud, Power Apps, SQL Server, and even Excel, you can share insights across your entire organization through the Power BI service. Now that you know more about Power BI, here's the truth. Even if you master all the above earlier features, Power BI is not enough on its own. Power BI as a tool will help you get your foot in the door, and as I said, it's even a fantastic starting point. But as a data analyst, you need more than just dashboards. You need to understand the data, ask the right questions, and explain the answers clearly. And to become a data analyst, you need to combine Power BI with more broader skills like SQL, Python, statistics, and yes, even Excel. Now, let's take a look at skills you will need beyond Power BI. And let me paint a complete picture in a little bit more details. First, start with SQL. It still remains the most commonly used skill for a data analyst. Before you even open Power BI, you'll spend significant time writing SQL queries to pull, filter, join, and aggregate data. Secondly, learn Python or R. These are the programming languages for deeper analysis. You will use these languages for data cleaning and advanced analysis. They will help you with statistics, machine learning, and even automation tasks. Thirdly, statistics. You don't need to be a math genius. You just need to know basics like mean, median, averages. Basics of statistics helps you to avoid common pitfalls in the data interpretation. This helps you explain why something is happening. Fourth, Excel. It's still the king and the most commonly used tool in all the organizations. It will help you with quick analysis, pivot tables, and calculations. And finally, business communication. This is often ignored. A good data analyst doesn't just show charts, they tell a story. They explain insights in a very simple words so that a leadership can take action. So here's my 2 cents. So if you are a student or a fresher, start with Power BI. Master the DAX queries. Work on your SQL. Start building small projects in Git. But if you are a working professional, add Python, cloud platforms, and statistics to your toolkit. And if you want to grow into leadership, just focus on communication, storytelling, and building business acumen. All right. So even you can answer the question, if Power BI is enough to become a data analyst. The answer is plain simple no. Power BI, it's an excellent tool as a starting point and a very critical skill, but you need more skill to stand out as a data analyst. Just remember that tools will change, new tools will come, but the ability to think with data and tell a clear story will always be valuable. With that being said, thank you so much for watching this video. And if you have found this useful, share it with someone who wants to grow in data analytics. Keep learning, keep growing.